Hello everyone. Here is an experiment to show friction. Let's have fun together. Friction is a contact force. It acts between two surfaces in contact. Look, we rub our palms due to friction. A matchstick lights up due to friction. So friction produces heat. We walk better with grooved shoes than shoes with wear out soles. So rough surface have more friction than smooth surface. This is why tires of cycle, car and buses are grooved to increase friction with road, and tires of racing cars are smooth to reduce friction so that they can go faster. Such tires are called slicks. So guys, we will have more fun in next experiment on friction. Also like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks and bye.